welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Hubby is off today, so we have a couple of things we want to do, so get ready, I'm taking you along. We are on our way to the car wash. We're gonna wash the car, and Angelimar on her phone. Okay guys, so I hadn't picked up the camera for a little bit. We took the van to get the tires aligned and rotated. It is 5:28 now. I got ready because right after picking up the car, we're going to church. Girls are walking the dog out back, somewhere out there. We focused on homeschool today, and we did a lot of the stuff we needed to do for next week since we will be out, but we're getting ready to go get a bite to eat since hubby is off today, and then we're heading off to church. Coco! Hi, Coco! Where are you going? Where are you going? Thank you, baby. Coco! Coco de Mommy. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys. I got my ColourPop Laura Lee Los Angeles collection from ColourPop that she did a collaboration with them, and all the funds for this collection is going to a oh my god, I forgot what it was. Let me see if I can find it. All the funds are going to Save the Animals, something like that. I'll link it down below to where all the funds. So I thought it was cute to get it and at the same time, you know, donate to the cause. So each of them have a little paw print on them, and they say ColourPop. And the colors are really cute. They're named Ritz. This one's named Ritz. This one is Heiny. This one is Glitz. And this one is Shiny. Let me open them up and show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. I haven't swatched them or anything. I'm thinking of doing a video and doing a look with them, so I'll swatch them then, but this is what they look like.
go dreams. I laid one down at your feet. Every moment of the one you made never changes what you see. I'm hard to win this, but I come fast. My head's all wearied, I need your rest. Mighty warriors can know the fight. No matter what it sits on my side. When you don't move the mountains, I need you to move. I will trust, I will trust. I will trust in you.
Good job. Yay. Let's clap.
Every single dream, I lay each one down at your feet. Every moment of my wandering never change.
Okay, so this is our church for if you haven't seen it. This is the altar.
Does it have my guitar here? And this is
The altar. The drums that my husband plays.
no.
The congas that my father plays. The bongos that another
A little
brother in our church plays. And we have a 9-year-old that also plays the drums on Sundays. And then this is the seating area. That up there is the sound area.
We want
And
to
then
show them up there?
the hallway with the classrooms and the
Wait,
office.
let me